guys, welcome back to a new video. I know I haven't posted in a month, so we're back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you all my fidgets. And I have a lot for some reason. So first off, this might be a little long video, but I'll try to go fast. Okay, first off is this puzzle ball. From the camera. This puzzle ball. So it is gonna try to match the colors with the rounding. I'm not a big fan of these. I just got it in this little pack thing. But yeah. Next up, I'm just gonna be pulling one from the pile. Is this orange hexagon Pop-It? It's not really good because I ordered it on Amazon. It's not really good, but go outside. You know, I'll rate this. This was probably, it's going to be a 4. And then this is probably going to be a 2. Then next is my pineapple stress ball. I traded this with my friend. It's actually, I like it. It's nice. I'll give this an 8 out of 10. Pineapple stress ball. Next is this stress ball that I got. It was in like this thing, but then I took it out. It actually has a hole in it. See that like little poke thing? If I squeeze it, I'll see if I can get an Orby to come out. Yep, 2 just came out. If you look. That's an Orby right there. So you know, I just like put my hand on it, then squeeze it, and it's actually pretty good when you do that. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. Then is this color changing Nido that I got at my Sky Ranch camp. It's nice. It goes blue and to pink. I think this has a hole in it, because on this one spot, I can't find it right now. Yeah, but on this one spot, whenever I squeeze it, like, pink comes out. I'm gonna rate this 7.5. Then my infinity cube. Kind of just, you know, like, starts out a cube, then move it. It's kind of cool. I give it a 6.5. Then is my DNA ball that was supposed to come with like a bunch of the things inside it. But instead it was a deflated one, so I'll give it a 3 out of 10. Then, new kind of fidget that I haven't showed you guys is, these are called pop tubes. So I'll show you all of mine. So I have 4 of them. These are mini ones, but there's like the big ones. So this is what they do. You can go like that. Makes a really loud noise, but then you can just put them back together and then keep playing them. I'm gonna give my mini Pop-It or my mini pop tubes an 8.5. Actually, like the mini pop tube a lot. Next is another color changing Nido, pink to purple. I like this one better than the blue one. It's kind of like hard to squeeze, but I still like it better. I'm gonna give this one a 9. Then next is my pineapple Pop-It. And it has like these little like textured things on it. You see the little pineapples on the flip flops. I'll show you this one. Twice side. That side. This is one of my favorite Pop-Its, so I'm gonna give it a 9. Then this is a homemade stress ball that my friend made and we traded. It's a green balloon filled with some Orbeez that are all destroyed now. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Then I have these. These are called bike chains. So you can like, this one's my bad one that I got. And then here's my other one that's the good one that goes really fast. You can like twist it around. This is my bad one, see it like doesn't go as fast and sometimes gets stuck. I'll give these a 5.7. Here is, if you have a like Target, and they're not always gonna be here, but be there. But if you go in the baby section, for some reason, you'll find these. These are called Dimples. Pop those. And then this is the best brand. This is the actual brand called Fat Brain Toy Co. Yeah, so this is a dimple. It's actually one of my favorite fidgets, so I'm gonna rate it a 9. And then I have this fidget pad. I actually like this a lot. So it's like this, and you can like these ones. You can here, I'm gonna turn the camera. These you can like click them. This one you can like go like that. These ones you can spin. Then I like this. This is my favorite one. I like this one. You can like pop. This one you can like go like that. And it spins. This one you can like that. Yeah, and that's it for this one. I'm gonna give this fidget pad at 8.5. Next is my disgusting. Well, it just has a bunch of hairs on it. It's jumbo, like mixed with this and these. It's like it's like I don't even know how to describe it. Like squishy and like stretchy. Yeah, it's like, these are called mochi, so I'm gonna call this a corn mochi. And I'm gonna give it solid 5.5. Here's another homemade stress ball that I made 2 days ago. It's a balloon filled with water, fluffy slime, and Orbeez. I like it a lot. I'll give it a 7.5. Next is a Slinky, basic, 3 out of 10. And then these are acupuncture rings. You can like roll them on your finger. Cool. I'd give these, I have a couple of these. I'll give these 4 out of 10. Or no, not 4. 6 out of 10. Then here's my red, white, and blue poppet. Nice. Quiet side. Loud side. Give that 5 out of 10. Here's a snake. It's a new kind of fidget you can like. It's not here. Oh, yeah, you can like do these, twist them. I'm gonna give this 4 out of 10. Not a big fan. Next is a marble mesh. There's a little marble inside. You can like go like squeeze it up, squeeze it down, like go like that. You can twist them. I'll give these a 6. Then squishies, not a big fan. I'll 1.5. Then monkey noodles. I have like more than 10 of these. You can see like you can get a really small one, like that. Then you can get a bigger size. Then you can get like a jumbo one. I'll give monkey noodles a 4 out of 10. Then I have, alright, so I have this mini poppet. It's not, well, I mean, here's the difference. So I'll do this one after. This is like a 5 5 rows of 3 mini poppet. Quai side. Then the loud side. And then here's my mini poppet that I traded. I'll give up these mini poppets. These are hard. I like these. I'll give them an 8.5. Then there's these dogs filled with like sand. The squeeze. And then the disturbing thing is you can like go like that and like squeeze their head. It's disturbing. I'll give these 3 out of 10. Then Shaggy Nito. It's like this, like the color changing, but it's like Shaggy has these textures on it. It's cool, I like it. I'll give this an 8.7. The next up is a Simple Dimple. I used to have 3, I traded them though. Like this one you can carry it around. This one's a colored one, most of them aren't colored. But yeah, I'm gonna actually in the video right now and do a part 2. Oh no, maybe today or tomorrow. Yeah, but I'm actually gonna do a part 2. So make sure to smash the subscribe button, like the video, and turn those notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.